Every marriage, every relationship, you must submit. Anytime there is power tussle in a home, something has tossed out an element out of that home. And that element is called progress. Where there is division, there is fighting at home, progress is halted. Man, don't deceive yourself. You can't be fighting with your wife and think you can make meaningful progress. If you are actually making progress, it means that you could have made much more if you are in agreement with your wife. Because when one chases 1,000, two shall chase 10,000 to flight. Always place value on your relationship with your husband, with your wife, more than your pursuits. Submission is having a say, but allowing the other person to have the final say. You can insist on having your way and be at war with one another, or submit and strengthen your bond. The choice is yours. Too much argument in a home is lack of submission. You must trust your partner to carry you along in everything, in all decisions that concerns the family welfare. Submission goes with discussion. Now you want your wife to submit, you don't discuss things with her. You can't get the best of her submission. She just saw car land. She just saw you building, only in picture. She just saw you. You just appeared in South Africa before you call her. She didn't even know when you got the visa and got the passport. My friend, that woman she'll find it difficult to submit to you. Because submission prospers when there is discussion. Discuss your plans before you carry them out. Submission is secured by a sense of security. If a woman is not secure in a home, she cannot submit to you. What gives a woman security? There's nobody in that house contending with her. Your younger brothers go to kitchen at will. Your younger sisters go to kitchen at will, defiling her kitchen, talking anyhow. When she cooks rice, they go to cook beans in the same house. And you didn't see anything wrong with it. We should flog you. You are a woman rapper, you are not a man. Kitchen is her headquarters, is her government. That is how our security is strengthened. Give her security by allowing her to become the queen of the house. She determines how the home runs.
That's right, sir.
Not your brother, not your auntie, not your mother, not your sister. Actually, when you get married, everybody should leave your home for the next 2 years, so that both of you can understand each other very well.
Yes, sir.
All this while you package your younger one and land in the house is a disaster in the making. And if you want your younger ones to be, it must be an agreement with the two of you. And can I tell you, men can easily adapt with the younger ones of the wife. But for you, the man, to bring your own younger one, you are bringing Iraq war to that house. Get ready to be restless. Because they will not approach her as their brother's wife. They will approach her as one that have a stake in the house. No matter how good she is, she can never please your younger ones.
I hear you, sir.
No matter how good she is, she can never please your younger one. There'll be a lot of fighting, in-house battles, in-house attack, which you can never settle. To have your peace, my friend, you must submit to love and submit to loyalty. And then let both of you know who should be part and parcel of the house. And can I shock you, sir?
Shock me, sir.
We are not committed. We are not sending you to be submissive to abuse or misuse. Because I say you submit, is beating you, you are submitting. That's not what I am saying here. Cry out. Let people know that you are being abused in the house. Let your parents know. Let your pastor know that the man has turned you to a punching bag. Don't be submitting under abuse. That's not what I said. Because the day you will die, I won't be there. You only come and tell us you die in your sleep. Remember, you were strangled. Submission is not demanded. Submission is what you deserve. Submission simply means I love you and I trust you. That is submission. I am the boss. Anytime a man is telling you he's the Oga of this house, something is missing with him. I don't need to remind my wife that I'm the head of this house. I don't need to remind my children I'm the head of this house. Even my body language is enough. I don't ever talk about. When I arrive, it's enough. Which one? I am the head of this house. Every day you are reminding the woman you are a coward as a man. You don't have hearts. You have low self-esteem. There is a problem with your value for yourself.
That's right, Papa.
Your wife is not your problem. Why must you remind her that you are the husband of the house? Why must you remind her? Every day you pack your load and go to your father's house. There's no security. She can't submit. Stop reminding her where she came from. I'm the one that schooled you. I put you in university. You are not the first and you can never be the last. I don't know if I'm talking to somebody here. You are not the first and you can never be the last. Sister, be celebrating now because I'll soon come to you.